The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has received thundering response from the consumers. So much so, it has broken pre-order records with double-digit increase in global pre-orders for the entire Galaxy S24 series, 65% of which belongs to the Ultra model compared to the S23 series. But still, as no device is perfect, this year's flagship from the Korean smartphone maker is not an exception. Shortly after reviewers and early buyers received their devices, reports have been flooded regarding the display. The overwhelming praise for the anti-reflective Gorilla Glass armor screen coating was quickly overshadowed by the claims the display colors look dull and muted. Initially, it was speculated the issue was caused by the new glass, but it has since been revealed that the problem is actually a software bug that is affecting the vivid display color mode, which causes the saturation not to change when switching between natural and vivid screen modes. Furthermore, there is more clarity on what may be happening, and a confirmation has come from Samsung that it is actively being worked on. According to Forbes, in a support chat screenshot provided by them by a Galaxy S24 user, Samsung acknowledged the issue by admitting that their developer team is currently working on a solution that will come in form of a software update. As pointed out by the source, the media playback is unaffected by the glitch, so you may continue to view your videos and play games on Samsung's newest display with full color capabilities until the bug is fixed.